Hi guys, welcome to this video about the Sandboxie. This is a sandbox which you can buy or use for free, at least for some time. I've been using this a lot and it works really good. The only or one of the only issues I have is that it doesn't show a yellow border all the time. Let's say I want to open the Internet Explorer and run it sandboxed, then I can choose default and push, click OK, and then it opens it. And if you're using the default, it should bring up this a yellow border around to show you that it's protected. There's an option to show only the yellow border when you click on the title or around the border, and here it doesn't happen, so you don't know, are you protected or are you not protected. That's really bad. I think probably this is an error. um, Probably it would be good if if we report this. So what can you do? What I always do, I go to the control box. I think that's the control box, and from there you can go to the, let's say, default box, sandbox, default box 1, run sandbox settings, and here you have the display a border around the window. If you have already clicked on that, so like this it should work. So just unselect it and select it again, so like I did, select a color, and here we have the display border only when the mouse cursor is in the window title. So I have this unselected this, so it should always bring the yellow border. So I've just like make a fake mutation. I unselected and selected again, so I click on apply. Okay. Yeah, it says it has been refreshed, and if any blah blah blah, it doesn't, I'm not interested, of course. Doesn't work when it's already, when the program is already running. So what I do then, I start the thing again, and hopefully it will work. Same thing as before, and as you can see, there's this yellow border. I have really no clue why it doesn't bring up the yellow border when you just open it normal. I always have, at least after restart of the window, I have to select the option again. That's a little bit of pain, but yeah, it is as it is. So actually, luckily, this works like this. So hopefully it will work for you too. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.